All right, let's talk about this camera detection device. Right over here that the brand sent me over a little bit ago to check out and test out. And as you just saw, this thing actually works really well. And that was only lowest strength. I want to go over some things that you should know before purchasing. Now, of course, this does help detect hidden cameras in a couple different ways. Now, this is through Wi-Fi. So of course, if a hidden camera is connected, it's most likely connected to some sort of Wi-Fi source. You can put this on a specific signal strength. So if it's on the lowest one, you will have to be right up to wherever the camera is. So I'm going to put it up right to this camera. And as you can see, it is alerting me. But if you want to start with one of the higher ranges, this will sense a larger area. Once you're in that larger area, you can decrease it and get more specific about where it is so you can actually find it. I like that. So you can go big and then go small to really pinpoint where it is. You can also use this little red light frame right over here, which all you're going to do is hit this again, and you'll get the red light, and you're going to look for little pinhole cameras. So when you are looking at a specific area, maybe you're looking like up in the smoke detectors or something like that, you'll be able to see a little light and detect the camera that way. And it also is cool too, because not only can you detect cameras, you can actually detect GPS devices. All you're going to do is hit this a couple more times, and the sensors right here on the back will turn green. So if you are like, maybe you got a rental car, you just feel like somebody put one of those like little air tags on you, or there's a million and one different types of GPS trackers, you can do the same thing to find those as well. So this is not even just for cameras. This is for any sort of tracking devices, GPS. It's very sad that we have to worry about this stuff these days, but we do, unfortunately, especially when you are at a hotel, Airbnb, you don't really know, if anybody has any sort of nefarious intentions. This is a very affordable, small, I will say too, way to help with that, and just peace of mind is what it comes down to. You can travel with it, of course, just start right in your suitcase. It also does come with a flashlight as well, which I like. So if you're trying to look into like a small area, you can even use, sometimes it's kind of obvious. You can just use a flashlight, find it that way. And then you can go ahead, use the actual detection. If you don't like the sound of the beeping, I know that can be like a little loud, you can actually have this vibrate as well. So if I hold this up, I don't know if you'll be able to hear that, but you can just have it vibrate and it will start alerting you that way as well. So many different ways to use this. As you just saw, it is sensitive when you need it to be, adjust the signal strength, GPS tracker, camera tracker, peace of mind. You don't need to break the bank. This would also make such a nice gift idea for somebody that maybe travels a lot, somebody that you really care about. Go ahead, check this one out.